Hello, in this video series I'll be showing you how to create springs with Solidworks from simple straight to complex and deformed. If you find value here, please like, subscribe, Patreon, buy merch, or buy from affiliate links if you see any. Alright, on to the video. So the way that we modeled this should be a very robust model. It should allow us to adjust the primary plane. Oh, actually, I'll do one more thing even. I will adjust I'm just thinking about if I change the diameter of it. So, well, let's start off simple. I know this will work. So if I change this overall length, it should update if I rebuild it. Oh, because that number, that distance, did not update. So let's undo that. And so my helix distance here, the height of this helix, I made it 1.7. So we need to make that an equation so that if I change the overall length, then that will update properly. So let's, oops, wrong one. If I double click this, then I can say equals 0.85 times 2. And that just initiates an equation there. You can see an expression. You can see this E. So now it is an equation. And I could go Alt E to go into my equations, and you can see it here, 0.85 times 2. That's one. This is one place that you can actually also see most of your dimensions in here also. Not useful very often. That's pretty advanced stuff. But it's there if you need it. And so what I need to do is to get into that equation, this overall length, which this guy. So this is, you can see it's highlighted. When I click on it, the little highlight under it says D3 at sketch 1. Or I can turn on, or actually if I just click on it, it should say right here, D3 at sketch 1. So let's Control C, copy that. And in my equation that I just created, which is this length, I'll replace this 0.85 with, I think I need that in quotes, D3 at sketch 1 times 2. Click OK. So now, no, that's the wrong number. It's not D3 at sketch 1. It is this dimension. How did we do this? So let's show this guy. And I went down 0.1, and then I'm going, how did I define this? So I go up 2.5 revolutions at 0.1. So that will be 1.5. Oh no, that's so 2.5 revolutions would be 0.25. But I spaced it down 0.1, so 0.15, and then that will be doubled, so it would be 0.3. So it should be, so what our equation should be is D3. Okay, we need some parentheses here. A little more complex than I was thinking. That dimension times 0.5 minus 0.1. I think this is going to be wrong. Let's do another parentheses here. Times 2. Is that right? Let's see what happens. We're close. That needs to be okay, so this needs to be times minus 0.15 should do it. Okay, so now that lines up. So now if I adjust this overall length, it should update properly, and it does. Very nice. So this is the correct way to do this. Now if I go too far, it should break eventually. Huh, I thought it would break. It allowed me to actually overlap. That's interesting. That's surprising. Alright, so let's just call this 2. Again.